Good morning students, my name is Manpreet Singh Chahal. I am making this video on the behalf of Opera IELTS PTE Patiala. Today's task 2 topic is fewer and fewer adults are spending quality time in leisure activities these days, due to which the levels of stress have increased and health deteriorated. Why do you think this is happening, and suggest what remedial measures can be taken which would be very effective? So it's a cause solution essay. In this essay, we would be making two body paras. In each para, we would be writing one cause followed by the solution. What sentence structures or the combination of sentences would be somewhat different. So let's start with intro. In cause solution intro, we generally start with past reference, but I have given this after paraphrasing. You have 30 seconds. Kindly pause the video for 30 seconds and read the intro part. Okay, with the onset of 21st century, while the average fitness levels have taken a nosedive, the number of people suffering from anxiety has surged. This was not seen a century ago. So it's a paraphrasing plus past reference. Now the outline part. Increased professional commitments and over reliance on tech gadgets are to be blamed for this. It could be tackled by taking some steps. So in this part, we have two questions. First is causes and other is solution. So we generally give outline of one question and thesis of other, right? We can give ideas of causes, and in solution part we can simply give the thesis, or we can do vice versa. We can give the thesis of causes and outline of solutions. But I think this is much better than other pattern, right? So let's start with body para 1. Okay, today most of citizens are desk bounded owing to the overwhelming work pressure. So it's a topic idea that they are desk bounded, or they are overwhelmed with work pressure, right? So let's talk about elaboration. We will be dividing elaboration in two part, as we have two idea. First is short term effect and other is long term effect. We would be elaborating short term effect with reason and long term effect with example, right? So let's start. Which makes them vulnerable to different health problem because it reduces the time spent on preparing home cooked meals, exercising, sleeping, making workers susceptible to obesity. Okay, so it's a short term effect. When talking about long term effects, a study carried out by researchers at University College London is best illustration. It highlights that long working hours are associated with increased risk of atrial fibrillation, or the most common cardiac arrhythmia, right? So it's a elaboration part. Now instead of giving other cause, we would be giving solution, right? Shortened working day is the only way out. For instance, in Sweden, this day means working day only lasts for 6 hours. Resultingly, Swedish population is relatively fit as compared to other European countries which did not introduce such an employee friendly policy, right? So in solution, I have given the example of Sweden and compared with other European countries, right? So it is all about body para 1. Okay, let's start body para 2. Among adolescents, burgeoning screen time is associated with clinical depression and anxiety disorder. So we have topic idea, that is burgeoning screen time, right? So I'm going to elaborate this with the help of example or the assertion of psychologists. According to psychologists Letty and Goggins, the comfortable and inactive life may in fact serve as a training for non-effort and avoidance. preventing us from tackling challenges and attaining peak performance, jeopardizing our sanities, or we can say the cognitive abilities. So definitely it hinders our ability to work hard and ability to attain something. Mitigating it require cutting down on the hours dedicated to binge watching, mindless internet surfing, and joining yoga classes. So we have three ideas. Firstly, we need to reduce the number of hour on screen, and secondly, we need to reduce the time on internet, and thirdly, we need to join yoga classes. Physical yoga poses, breathing exercises, and meditation all work to help lower your blood pressure, heart rate, and cortisol level in the body, which in turn reduce the stress. So definitely it would be helpful. Right? So now the conclusion part. To reiterate, compulsive work patterns and fanatic attitude toward technology are two causative factors behind this trend. Nevertheless, coordinated efforts by employer and general public can address this issue. So I have simply given the summary of body para 1 and body para 2. Instead of giving in para wise, I have given the summary of causes first and solution in the last of the para, right? So this was all about today's essay. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, you can contact Opera on the given numbers, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Stay safe.